Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to make coming soon page on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, the first thing you need to do is to head over in here under preferences, just under your online store. And then once you have done that, you can actually just scroll down until you can see this password protection. You can add in here the password that you have, and you can also put in here a message to your visitors. Like for example, let's say something right here like coming soon page. After that, save this progress that you have. And then after that, open a new tab and search in here for apps.shopify.com. So let's search for that. And in here, you should be able to see this URL once we had head over to it. Now, this is that page. Just click on this search result and then search in here for page fly. And then let's search for this landing page builder. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So click on this right here. After that, click on this install option, and then this will open a new tab where it will ask you for access in order to successfully install this application to your actual Shopify store. So what you can do is you can click on this install option, and as you can see, this will install itself. So this is the dashboard of Pagefly. You can actually complete this task, but for this one, let's just create the first page. So click on this start creating pages. Then after that, you can click create a blank page or create from template. So let's choose this one right here, which is create from template. And in here, you can choose this password right here. Once you have done that, it will search in here for template that has this. Like for example, this pixel coming soon, or this under construction, or this orthos right here. So you can just head over and then choose the one that you want. So for me, I'll choose this one and then click on select. And then once I have done that, this will load like this, and I will be able to edit it out however we want. So for example, we can say something right here, and we can edit it out, coming soon. And then in here, you also have this countdown, wherein you can actually change out the countdown number according to your needs right here. So you have in here this column, so you can actually edit out as well the height, the visibility, the attributes, as well as the animation that you have right here. And also in here is your email style, wherein you can edit out the things that you have right here. Once you have done that, click on the save option right here, and let's name this coming soon. And then click on save option right here. And then click on this do not remind, click on save. And then after that, this will save this progress. Now that it's been saved, as you can see right here, next thing we need to do is to publish it. So click on this publish option, and then click on publish. And then in just a few seconds, click on publish again. And in here, this will publish this page for us on our actual Shopify store. So as you can see, it's already been published and it's already been live to our actual store right here, and we should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.